Now I would like to show you what's the difference between break and continue. So break means if there is some break in the for cycle, so it means stop the cycle. So it will not going on, it is stopped, okay? It is end of the cycle. So if I run it, you can see again 1 2 3 4, it's the same code like the previous video. So 1 2 3 4 and 5 break end, okay? But now if I would write here a continue, what does it mean? Continue means that it will stop the, or no, not stop, the correct word is skips one cycle of the for cycle, okay? So it means continue. If I will run it, how does it work? You can see that here we have 1 2 3 4, 5 isn't there, 6 7 8 9. So why isn't 5 there? So if for example range is number 4, it's stored in number, this is false, so we will print the number 4. I will erase this, and number 4 is here. Now range is generated number 5, it's stored in number 5 is equal to number 5, right? So the continue takes place. The continue means skip the one cycle, so the print isn't ready, the print isn't executed. So it means continue, it means okay, stop this cycle with the number 5 and go again. Number 6, store in number, print it. 7, store in number, print it, and so on. Okay, so continue only means skip this current cycle, but only one cycle, and it will continue 6 7 8 9. Okay, break means stop the cycle completely, stop the cycle completely, but continue only means skip the one cycle, okay, one cycle in the for loop. So I hope you understand.